Newfield Generator gravity assisted pulse motor project. Basically, we've completed the entire system. We've hooked up the pulse width modulator board and amp meter on the how much amps the windshield wiper motor is using, and I'm saying it's approximately 12 amps at 12 volts. That's what it's just using to get this thing to cycle on a no-load configuration. And then as soon as I add the slightest bit of load, it loses momentum. So there we go. So those are the results of this project, and based on these results, we're going to basically go back and refabricate the 10-pound weight drop project from 3 years ago, and we'll do a complete test on that and see if that performs any better. I think the reason why it will perform better is the input, which is the dropping 10-pound weight, is isolated from the output drive shaft, and therefore the input, the current on the input, or the power that's used on the input, will always be constant no matter what the load is at the output. So there you go. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers.